Let's learn how to connect Facebook with Mobile Legend. First, let's open Mobile Legend app on your phone, and when you open it, look it in the top left corner of the screen and you can see your little profile picture icon and click on it. When you do that, that will send you on your profile menu where you need to look in the left side of the screen and you can see a last option called account and click on it. Now you're come on this page where you need to look on third-party account section and you can see Facebook account and you need to type on it. Then Mobile Legend asks of you to enter your secondary password protection and just go to enter it. When you enter it, click on OK. Now Mobile Legend offers to you two different options. I recommended you to select the second one, connect account only, and when you select it, click on OK. On this page, you need to click on blue option in the bottom of the screen where is written continue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.